I am gonna do my skincare. I usually do my skincare while I watch Birdie play because she likes to watch me use my jade roller. Yeah, she thinks it's so funny. Hi, cutie. Peanut's still playing over there. I'm making breakfast. Hi. This is pretty much a staple breakfast for us. I always have oats with oat milk, peanut butter, berries, and then add in some flax. You honestly cannot taste this. And it has really great fiber in it. It has omegas and some protein, which is hemp hearts. And then I add hemp hearts into Birdie's food. Whatever she's eating to it, I always add in some hemp hearts. I just got these from Costco. These are the hemp hearts that we get. And flax seeds, I think I got these at Superstore. But for Birdie's breakfast, I'm giving her, I have a little bit of this left. It's apple and spinach organic oatmeal. And then I just pureed some pear yesterday, so I added in some pear and her hemp hearts. She's loving strawberry right now, so I'm gonna give her some strawberry. And she usually eats most of her breakfast. I started her on purees, tried to do baby-led weaning, and it just didn't work for us, so we're slowly adding in more like actual solid food versus just purees. So that'll be her breakfast, and then sometimes she likes to munch on a couple of these. I just got these from Walmart, so that is our breakfast. And then I also add in some Greek yogurt. I'll show you the brand that we use. Ooh, Siggy's. You can also get this from Walmart or Superstore. This is our favorite. I always go out for a morning walk after our breakfast. Cover up the sun. And come to the dog park. There's no dogs this morning because I think it's a little too warm right now. And everyone's at work. We'll have to come in the evening and see. But we'll go down a trail and I'm sure we'll find some dogs there too. And listen to the birds chirp. But we always get out first thing before Birdie has her morning nap. And it just feels so good. Even if we're outside for like 10-15 minutes, we both just need that fresh air and to get out of our place. This is where we love to come to. It's gonna be a beautiful day. Hi, love. Is it so pretty? We just finished up our walk. It's starting to get a little warmer out. Hey, Peanut? Yeah, it's so beautiful having the sunshine out. We always get lots of rain, so it's always such a treat when we have the sunshine. Birdie's ready to go down for her first nap pretty soon here, so we're gonna look at some more flowers in our area and put you down for your first nap, and then this evening we're gonna go to the beach with some friends, which will be really fun. It's a perfect beach day. Some more beautiful flowers that we found on our walk. One of our favorite things to do on our walks is to stop and smell the flowers. We're just hanging out on our deck before Birdie's nap. It's definitely getting a lot warmer out. It's gonna be a gorgeous day, my goodness. Yes. Beautiful, just like you. Cheers! Someone slept for 2 hours. Now she's gonna have some butternut squash with some tofu, drizzled a little bit of olive oil, and then there's a spinach and apple puree for her lunch, and I'm having leftovers from yesterday. And then we're going to the beach. And we're off. Let's go, my girl.
Got your toys. We both got full tummies. And we're ready for some sunshine and fresh air. So we're at the beach. We've just been waiting for this train. For probably the past 10 minutes so we can cross over, but we're here. We're just waiting to cross. And Birdie is very excited. We're probably 15 minutes in, and we're still waiting for the train. Birdie's getting very excited. We're being very patient, aren't we? Yeah. We're getting there. Yeah, we're at the beach. Got all our stuff. Get the tower. Ready? Get it. 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 You can do it. Oh, you just see yourself in the case. You are. That's you. That's Birdie Judith. Yeah. Can you get the towel? Whoa. Birdie is still napping. It's almost 5:15, so I don't normally like to have her naps go this late in the day, but she needed it after all of our time at the beach. And I am just prepping dinner. I'm making a yummy veggie and tofu pasta, and then some lentils to go with her butternut squash that she had for lunch today. Just want to add in some extra protein, and then I'll add in some other fruit or veggie with her dinner. And then that'll pretty much be it for the rest of the day, besides our just hanging out, playing, reading some books. I thought I heard her. And she should be up soon. All right, someone is getting hungry, so we gotta get eaten, but Birdie is having lentils with avocado. She's having butternut squash, strawberries, and then I'm having the homemade pasta, and we're gonna call it a night and get eaten. Let's go, my girl. Thanks for spending the day with us. We had so much fun going to the beach for the first time this year, and I'm so excited for so many more beach days now that it's starting to get warm out.